Factors that a city is poised to see a drop in population could be any of these listed, such as a rise in violent crime, high cost of living, work-related, moving closer to a family, and retirement. When cities loses its population, a series of events plays a major role. Fewer people lead to fewer tax dollars, resulting in reduced public services, infrastructure, and businesses, leading to more people living. Welcome to this channel where we're going to be looking at the cities people are living 2023 in United States. Please make sure to hit that subscribe and like button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos like this. First on the list, we have Buffalo in New York. Moving out of New York has become trendy, it would seem. The skyrocketing cost of living and ever-increasing local, state and federal taxes are driving factors. Decline in manufacturing leading to high crime rates and rudeness of people living in this particular area. The population dropped from its peak in 1950, now around 278,000 residents. It is predicted to lose around 9% of population by 2030. Many technology and banking industry workers that had spent a great deal of time in the office have found out that working remotely due to the pandemic better suits their desires, allowing them to leave the city and perhaps live closer to extended family members. New York saw a net loss of over 75,000 families as of last year. Next up, we have Massachusetts. Several publications list retirement and work motives as the reason behind Massachusetts' population decline. The state realized a net loss of 15,489 households last year. Recent history shows strong GDP growth and robust economy, yet similar to its neighboring states, the recent push towards remote work allows families to leave high-density population areas and choose more suburban lifestyle beyond the state borders, right here in Massachusetts. Next up, we have Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania decline of 18,000 plus households recently directly results from job losses resulting from the pandemic. Many families are seeking better employment odds in nearby states, while a considerable number of them are taking the opportunity to head for warmer weather and the lower cost of living. With high rise of crime, the city struggles to attract new residents, leaving population decline from its peak in 1950, now to about 301,000 residents. Next up, we have Detroit in Michigan. Struggling for decades due to the decline of the auto industry and the rise in high crime rates. People leaving Michigan cited retirement, family and employment opportunities as their reasons for leaving the state. Despite the nationwide worker shortages, young families in the state still feel like better working conditions exist across state lines. Michigan experienced a net loss of nearly 11,000 households last year. The population declined from its peak in 1950, now around 639,000 residents right here in Detroit, Michigan. Next up, we have Baltimore, Maryland, a historic city struggling with high crime, poverty and aging infrastructure. Black residents said they have found a better quality of life in neighboring counties or other states, where they also find that they can pay less for the same, if not better, amenities. People also said they left because of persistent crime and better educational opportunities. Next up, we have San Francisco. San Francisco has officially relinquished its crown as the fastest shrinking city in the nation, struggling with rampant homelessness, a drug crisis, surging crime and several business closures. San Francisco is no longer the thriving city it used to be. Its decline in recent months has led some to say the city is dying, especially as its citizens move elsewhere. The US Census estimates the 2022 population of the city and county of San Francisco to be at about 808,473 residents, representing a loss of 65,000 people, and a 7.5% compared to 2020. Next up, we have Kansas City, Missouri. Crime and the struggle to attract young professionals has been a major factor in the decline facing Kansas City. The Sunflower State is alone in the population loss in this region. Kansas has a net loss of 7,409 residents to negative domestic migration, resulting in a net population loss of nearly 800. Higher taxes for both individuals and businesses make it harder to build a life, a business, and a future right here in Kansas City, Missouri. Next and the last, we have St. Louis, Missouri. Louis City has faced economic challenges in recent decades, including the loss of manufacturing jobs, which has led to a decline in the city's overall population. The loss of jobs and the resulting economic downturn has caused many people to leave the city in search of better economic opportunities elsewhere. With racial and class divisions also high crime rates, in 2023, the population was right around 300,000, with the entire metro area having about 3 million residents. In 2010, they had 319,000 residents, and in 2020, it dropped down to 301,000, and in 2021, they dropped all the way down to 293,000. This trend is not going to slow down anytime soon. Some estimates have them losing up to 13 of their remaining population by 2030. These cities face challenges in their economies, safety, and overall appeal, leading to declining populations. While some may have seen recent growth, they are predicted to continue losing residents in the coming years. With that, we have come to the end of this episode on iconic destinations. Please share this video with your friends and hit that like and subscribe button. Click the notification bell to support our channel for more videos like this. See you next time, and bye for now.